summer, winter, autumn, spring. Mountain, blue sky, and the sea. Rainbow, sunshine, and the sea. Jesus, maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the nature, you shine around. For you are everything, and everything is you. Precious Jesus, how wonderful wonder you are. Oh, oh, you are amazing, dear Lord. 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 Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the nature, you shine around. For you are everything, and everything is you. Oh, precious Jesus, how wonderful wonder you are. Alright guys, it's not a difficult one, and so I'm just going to go straight to the video. Alright guys, it's not a difficult one, okay? So I'm just going to go straight to the tutorial. It's not difficult. So the chord progression is just 4, that's F major. Alright, I'm using Galaxy. Okay, so it's F major, that's 4. Okay, I'm playing the inversion. Alright, that is A, C, F. Alright, then I go to C. Alright, then G, A minor, and G. Right, so the chord progression is 4. Alright, 1, 6, and 5. Alright, so I'm just going to do something that it makes the melody to be so nice. Alright, what I was doing from the beginning. Alright, so alright, so me, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G. So you make it faster. Do, mi, fa, sol, 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 mi, fa, sol. Then when you are doing that, you play F. Alright, you start with, because we are starting with F. Alright, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol. Alright, so when you do mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol. Alright, you go to, still remaining on E, you go to C. Right, C. Alright. Alright. right, so when you do that, C, E and C, they go to G and B. All right, so when I combine it, all right, so when you are doing that, this I'm on F, mi fa sol, mi fa sol. So when you do, you go to 1, mi fa sol, C. Go to A minor with your left while playing this. Then when you are going to G, you go to this. Alright, that's G and B. Alright. I'm just going to show you the chord progression once more. Then I'll try to even play the bass. If you don't have a bass guitar, you can play your bass on your own. Alright. So the chord progression is, most of the times I play the song like this. Alright, so try to use this passing chord here. That's 3. Alright, to get to the 4, the 4th. Alright. Alright, so F, that's the inversion, that's F, E, C, F. Alright, then I go to C. Alright, normal C, that's what I'm using. Alright, C, D, E, G. Alright. Alright, then this A inversion, the first inversion. Alright, that's C, E and A. Alright, then G, this first inversion. Alright, B, D, G. Alright, so that's what I'm playing. Alright, then the chord progression is the same throughout the song. The verse, the chorus, is the same. Alright, summer, winter, autumn, spring, mountain, blue sky, and the sea. Alright, everywhere I go is the same thing. Everywhere I go, I see you. Alright, it's the same thing, guys. So then, when I reach where they're doing, that's why you can be playing this, the first style I gave you throughout. You can go throughout the song, but it's very nice when you are doing Alright, guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. So the bass of the song is alright, you can be playing the bass of the song. Okay, C, F, A, C, E, A, D, this, G. I do it again. C, F, A, C. Okay. C, A, C, A. Alright. Everywhere I go, I see you right in the net. Yeah, guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. Do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.